Since before statehood, the community of Eufaula has proudly supported the Eufaula School District. It is no surprise that the board is proposing a project tailored to serve both the students and the community.
My name is Jeanette Smith and I am the superintendent here at Eufaula Schools. And I'm very excited to bring a proposal to the community that the school district has been working on for about a year and a half.
I wholeheartedly believe that economic development lines right up with what kind of school system you have and what the services that the school provides, and the perception when people come to town and look at the community, one of the first things they look at is the school.
The Eufaula School Board has called a $13,480,000 bond issue comprised of several components focused on maintaining district facilities and meeting student needs. An arena designed as an event center and constructed as a storm-safe shelter for the community is included in this proposal.
Having a storm shelter is something that I actually have been working on, trying to do something for our community, to have storm shelters, to have a safe place for our citizens to go. And when I heard that this was part of the plan, I was very excited and very happy about it.
This bond issue calls for the construction of the Eufaula Event Center, a monolithic dome arena constructed as a community emergency shelter, in addition to the Agricultural Education Center, an elementary PE gymnasium auditorium. The bonds will also fund a new roof for the high school gym, heating and air conditioning system repairs, kitchen equipment for the high school cafeteria, lighting at the football field, campus security equipment, wireless technology and devices for teachers, and uniforms and instruments for the band program.
All these projects are needed, and they're needed to help our school, our students, and our staff, and our district grow, which in turn helps our community grow.
Technology is one of those things that they continue to change, and we have to invest in it.
If you have a facility like that, that will benefit the local economy. When people come to tournaments or any kind of event that might be able to be scheduled there, they're going to spend money in the community.
We are calling it the event center because we don't want it just to be a basketball center. We want it to be something that is used for different kinds of meets, where people can come in and use it for, we can use it for graduation, for all kinds of just different events.
The Board of Education has proposed construction of a new event center to be located adjacent to the football stadium. As a basketball arena, this building will provide seating for about 1,300 and offer the amenities required for attracting regional tournaments and out-of-town fans. The facility will accommodate ceremonies such as graduation, as well as community events and entertainment. Built as a monolithic dome, the Eufaula Event Center will be constructed to withstand an F5 tornado to serve as a community emergency shelter.
Not just for tornadoes, but also for ice storms. Those that have been here for a few years have lived through a couple of those and they're miserable. But if we had a better place to go that people could benefit from in times of need like that, I don't know that everybody understands that that's a part of the plan.
Rated one of the top FFA chapters in the state, Eufaula Agricultural Education teaches leadership and career skills as a component of livestock, technical welding, mechanical, and other programs. Plans are underway for a remodeled and expanded facility with dedicated areas and equipment to meet this changing career study.
Purely from the standpoint of deterioration, the building's just in bad shape. A lot of people don't think the kids really care about the buildings, but they do. They take as much pride in the buildings as the teachers and the adults do, I believe.
Their facility is old, okay, and it needs to be updated, and it needs to be modernized.
If we can get those kids involved in schools, whether it be athletics or ag or band or the academic team, if we can just get them involved, their chances of being successful and completing school is much higher, and really at that next level as well.
At the elementary building, PE classes currently meet in a large classroom. Space is limited, ceiling heights are too low, the current flooring is less than ideal, and the room cannot accommodate basketball goals and other equipment for the elementary PE curriculum.
We have about 2,000 square feet, so it's very limited on space. Height, the walls are all the sheetrock, so they're very easily torn.
This addition, to be located at the east end of the building, will be designed as an elementary gym and auditorium with a stage, basketball goals, synthetic flooring, bleachers, and storage for additional seating.
Everyone deserves a quality PE education.
The school board has engaged the services of the Bolt Company for construction of these facilities.
The main thing we want to focus on as we go through this bond issue with the school here is we want to spend some time, and myself along with several other employees of Bolt will be around town looking for people, looking for subcontractors. We're really interested in making sure we get as many local subcontractors involved as possible.
In McIntosh County, the millage attributable to Eufaula schools will increase by 11.82 mills or 14.41%.
We know our community has to get behind it. It is an investment for them. And quite frankly, I got 4 kids in the school. I understand they're investing in my children. There's 1,200 kids that come through here, and you're investing in them.
How will this impact your taxes? If your property tax was $200 last year, you should expect an annual increase of about $28.82 if the bond issue passes. If your annual taxes were $500, you should expect an increase of $72.05 per year, or just $6 per month, if the bond issue passes.
Ask questions so that you're informed, get involved, and please vote.
Just go vote on April 1st.
On April 1st, we'll go to the polls to vote on it, and I hope we can count on you to help our school district.
It's your right to vote. So go out and vote, support your school district, and let's move Eufaula forward.
Support the students of Eufaula. Support the community. Vote April 1st.